I made the switch from coffee to green tea over a year ago, and the benefits have been amazing. My energy level throughout my day has improved, and I rarely ever get sick. My great-uncle outlived his doctor's predictions by over 30 years, and believe it or not, green tea played a huge role in that. His respiratory system was damaged by Agent Orange during the Vietnam War, and the prognosis wasn't good. But one simple daily habit changed everything. He started drinking green tea. Even though he continued smoking, he lived 30 years longer than expected, and green tea became his secret weapon. Today, I'm going to share why you should start drinking green tea every day. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly one called EGCG, which is known for its ability to fight inflammation and protect cells from damage. This makes it one of the healthiest beverages you can drink. Let's break down some of the most impressive benefits. First up, green tea can boost your metabolism. It contains natural compounds that help increase fat burning, especially during exercise. In fact, studies show that drinking green tea regularly can help you burn up to 100 extra calories per day, just by speeding up your metabolism. Green tea also improves brain function. Thanks to its caffeine content, which is lower than coffee but enough to give you a mild boost, it helps increase alertness without the jitters. Green tea contains the amino acid L-theanine, which works with caffeine to improve focus and reduce anxiety. This means you get a calm, focused energy instead of the highs and lows of coffee. So why choose green tea over coffee? Don't get me wrong, I used to be a hardcore coffee drinker. But after switching to green tea, I noticed a significant difference in my energy levels throughout the day. Coffee gives you a quick spike, but it's often followed by a crash. Green tea provides steady energy, helping you stay alert and focused without the afternoon slump. Plus, green tea is much gentler on your stomach and less likely to cause issues like acid reflux. Another reason I made the switch is that green tea supports your immune system. Its high antioxidant content helps your body fight off infections. And I've noticed that since I started drinking green tea, I rarely get sick anymore. If you're looking for a simple way to boost your overall health, green tea is a great choice. And that's not all. Drinking green tea daily can even benefit your skin. The antioxidants in green tea can help protect your skin from sun damage, reduce redness, and fight acne by balancing hormones. It's no wonder green tea extracts are found in so many skincare products. Studies also suggest that green tea can lower the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants in green tea help improve blood vessel function and lower cholesterol levels, which in turn supports a healthy heart. And, as in my great-uncle's case, drinking green tea regularly may even help you live longer. A study conducted in Japan found that people who drank green tea had a lower risk of death from all causes, especially heart disease and stroke. Now that you know the benefits, let's talk about how to get the most out of your green tea. The key is to brew it properly. Don't use boiling water. Let it cool down for a few minutes before pouring over the tea leaves or bag, as too much heat can destroy some of the beneficial compounds. The green tea that I drink is a blend of sencha and matcha, made from 100% Japanese tea leaves. It's a Kirkland signature green tea that can be purchased at Costco. If you want to mix things up, you can add a splash of lemon or a teaspoon of honey for a bit of sweetness. I personally love drinking mine plain, but a couple times a week I will add either honey or lemon. So, whether you're looking for a healthy coffee alternative, a way to boost your metabolism, or just a simple addition to your routine that can improve your health, green tea is an excellent choice. It's helped me feel more energized, get sick less often, and keep my focus throughout the day. Give it a try, and let me know what changes you notice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.